Good morning, Raymond. We are here to speak about the Best Performance Challenge 2011. We are giving our partners a description of the different tasks. And now I would like to ask you about task number 6, which is in the demand generation area, which is called Solution Overview, including the demo screens. So, can you tell us exactly what is this task and why is it important for partners?
I'm thanking you, Francesco, because you mentioned that we intensively have discussed this and put it into the demand generation piece. Because normally partners say, well, solution overview is something we do at the first customer visit. But how often have you found out that for giving a first interview, for giving a first analysis, or for having the first contact with the prospect, you're preparing too much of a demo and you're showing on the other side always the same things? Wouldn't it be much easier to show the core pieces of your solution in a combined presentation, screens, and live demonstration recorded on a video, baked into YouTube and available on your website like a jukebox of the different things already, so that you can use it for qualifying your leads? Because we in SAP do this for our standard solutions and have found out that especially those who watch these presentations and then download a customer reference story or white paper are the ones that are, if we call them, the best qualified leads. Okay. So regarding the why important, I think you can save a lot of cost in your sales and pre-sales activities if you elevate the good stuff that you want to show, that you can show already to the website, and make it part of the campaign of your overall appearance, your face to the customer.
But Raymond, if I am a salesperson or a pre-sales person within a partner organization, how could this task be best performed by me, and what is the scoring then that I get in the challenge?
I have two recommendations on this. One is, as a pre-sales and sales team, you would know what works best. Is it the sexy user interface, for example, in A1 using NetWeaver Business Client? Is the process in combination with some add-on that you put into your solution? Is it not just the crystal reports and business objects, if we talk about business all-in-one, but also the intensive drill down for decision makers using a business information warehouse? Or business planning consulting, showing the power of a due diligence analysis that also turns decision making really into action. You would know what are your favorite screens, what are your favorite stories, what is the must-see, like we say, normal see, and you would frame it in a kind of tell-show, tell way into a presentation. Again, put this into YouTube. And also, like in the similar task we have described before about the ideal customer portrait, if you have various solutions, if you have various must-sees, put it all on the website, make it a jukebox for customers to pick from, because again, if you attract them with the right thing, they are also better qualified and better able to make their decision in their buying process. Regarding the scoring, I'm sure you will ask this question again, so let me talk about this already. It's the same story. Social selling means number of visits multiplied with the number of comments. Means if you add more presentations or solutions overview, you could have the chance that you have more hits. If you engage your customers or prospects to put comments, does it work, or even have them questions, you get more hits. So make it work for you. This is especially something that is kind of a no-brainer. You just have to do it, and I think you would do it anyhow. And we help you with fitness sessions also to focus, plus also with the coachings will be enabled to do so. With regards to points, we treat this as equal as the customer portrait. We again do a ranking, and we give 20 points maximum for that. Okay. So we really want to be sure that you do very well in this, and we take the outside public opinion from the social selling to help us score here.
Thank you, Raymond.